And now we're gonna keep exploring Kentucky. And you can come with us if you want to. If you want to, come with us. Meet you there. Hi guys, today is another amazing day, isn't it? Well, we're going to have a great day. But first, we're gonna have brunch at a very good place. I'd say even magnificent place. The Kentucky Castle. See you there. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget to subscribe for more adventure. Visit this bourbon factory. Bourbon is like this whiskey, and yeah, so I'll meet you there.
Before dinner, during dinner, after dinner, whatever.
Out in stormy weather, I might have the blues, but nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground, but I threw up my umbrella when rain stops hitting down. Yeah! On a bad day, on a good day, I don't need no sunshine, 'cause I'm dancing with the rain. You will see me running, thinking I might be insane. I don't need no sunshine, you keep me going strong. I just need my happy face to keep me moving on. Looking out the window, reflecting who I am. No one ever stopped me, not even